Welcome, today I'll show you how to switch on or off screen touches into screen recorder in your Sony Xperia Pro I. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen recorder button, this one. If you don't have this button here, press to pencil, then scroll down to the bottom and find here this button. Then press and hold and drag to top for add this button in your top navigation bar. So click back for save. And now, when we add this button here, tap, and before we start our recording, we got record audio option and show touches on screen. This position of switcher is turn off this option, this like blue, it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.